to everywhere. This project is titled AI-based legal document analyzer, which uses natural language processing to detect conflicts and recommend similar legal cases. In the legal domain, professionals spend a significant amount of time reviewing documents such as contracts and case files. This process is not only slow but also prone to the human error. There are three major challenges addressed here. First, manual review of legal documents is time consuming and require expert attention. Second, contradictions with documents often go unnoticed, especially when the clauses are spread across the sections. Third, finding relevant case precedents requires extensive manual searching through large databases. So, to solve these problems, this system is designed with four main objectives. The first one is it detects conflicts in the legal text by identifying contradictory clauses. Second, it extracts key entities such as names, dates, and legal terms using named entity recognition. It recommends similar cases by comparing documents using similar techniques. And finally, it generates structured reports that are easy to understand. Now moving to the technology used, the system uses TF-IDF vectorization to convert into numerical form. Cosine similarity is applied to measure how similar two documents are. Named entity is used for extracting important information, and rule-based logic is applied to detect conflicts between clauses. Looking at the system architecture, the process starts with input legal text. Then pre-processing is performed to clean and normalize the data. After that, entity extraction and conflict detection are carried out. Finally, the system recommends similar cases and generates a report. Now, coming to the methodology. First, a dataset of legal documents is collected. Then pre-processing is done, including the tokenization and removal of stop words. Next, TF-IDF is applied for vectorization. Cosine similarity is used to find relevant cases. And finally, the system generates a structured out report. Here is a sample example. If a document states that rent house should be paid on the 5th of each month, but another clause mentions the 15th. So the system detects there is a conflict. It also extracts entities like tenant, rent duration, and dates, and recommends similar cases with high similarity scores. Looking at the results, the system achieves around 91% accuracy in recommending the cases and 94% efficiency in detecting the contradictions. It significantly reduces processing time from hours to seconds. In terms of advantages, it saves time, reduces human effort, improves accuracy, and supports legal research. It is also designed to be user-friendly. For the future improvements, the system can integrate advanced models like Legal BERT, support multiple languages, be deployed as a web application, and include the OCR for scanned documents. So, in conclusion, this project demonstrates how NLP can transform legal document analysis by making it faster, smarter, and more reliable. Thank you.